This platform actually lets me send email and SMS campaigns all from the same place. And it took me less than 15 minutes to set up. E-commerce marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Let me show you what I used. That's Omnisend. Folks, I am super pumped to be talking to you today about this awesome AI tool that is going to help and scale your business. It is Omnisend. And unlike generic AI tools, Omnisend is actually built for online stores specifically. Every single feature that they have available is actually made for selling products and helping you to do that. The thing about Omnisend is that it connects seamlessly, because I've tried this, and very easily to places such as Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and any other important places, okay? You can see it all here. WordPress as well. What's really cool is things like coupons, product pickers, they all get automatically pulled in from your cart on your online store using Omnisend. It's all automated. Okay, so folks, we're actually logged in here to our own account on Omnisend, and I actually just wanted to run you through how easy it is to basically automate things, get campaigns set up. They have everything, right? They got the templates just ready for you to go. As we can see here, choose from designer-made templates, not those crappy ones that you usually get from maybe some of these other services, okay? This is all very legit, all right? Create any email in minutes, all right? And it's very easy just to add those products from the store in just a few clicks. So it's got templates for everything, folks. Obviously the emails, the SMS, the pop-up templates. So let's go ahead and have a look right now, okay? So let's create email campaign. I'm going to show you how cool this actually is, okay? So it's all ready and set up here, ready to go, okay? So you can say subject is maybe like new plant business, okay? Sender's name, YTR, that can be us, all right? Shared Omnisend email for the sender's email address, okay? That's us, okay? Receive replies to a different email address, okay? So that's pretty cool. So you can select that there, okay? And do that if you want, which is great. You got your language, the campaign name, say plant business, okay, indoor plants, okay, and then we keep scrolling down, and what's really cool here, look at this, auto post email campaign to your Facebook page. So you can connect that up, you can do that as well, all right, really nice, clean user interface, really easy to understand, okay. So over here as well, so this is kind of what we're going with here, all right. Let's go down here and select choose email template. Okay, so beyond that, guys, just the basic settings and everything like that, okay, you've got your choose template section, okay? So pick a pro-designed email template that'll not only help you succeed, but it'll make it stand out a lot more, okay? So you've got your normal templates column here, you've got your saved ones here, okay, as well. So I love how it's actually giving you the walkthrough. Like it's giving you, okay, what's the goal here? So it is welcome and engage because it is like a new plant business, right? The theme is going to be, let's call it branded because we really want to put emphasis on our brand, okay? And what's the type? I'd say, in terms of the type, we might want to go with, let's say, maybe fashion and lifestyle. I think could be good. Maybe accessories. Okay. Okay. So we've got that there, and then save and close button. It's a really seamless feeling. It doesn't feel clunky. Okay. I quite like that. It's good. So that's saved there under the campaigns. Okay. Type is going to be email. It's in the draft status. Okay. So you can go in there and you can click that. All right. So, and they've got a lot of recommended ones as here. Look at this. Okay. So say, for example, I think this is pretty smooth. All right. We can use that template. You can preview it first if you want. Have a little look. It's really clean. Look at that. I think that could possibly work quite well. Got the basic marketing and yep, all the codes. We like it. Easy. Let's choose it. That's going to come up and bang. All right. It's all ready to go here. All right. You can do your extra little customizations. All right. Say we want to change this to something like indoor YTR plants. Okay, that could be our business name. Obviously, you can drag and drop, change up these images. You've got options, you can save the layout. You can get rid of that if you want as well. You don't like it. Have like your referral codes in there as well. What's really good is the AI writer can actually suggest edits. Okay, so you can modify text with AI here. You got the style, you can change that. Maybe you want to change it to like a large heading, for example. You got everything you can adjust. The font, of course. Okay, lots of adjustments. You can make it bold, and I like it because sometimes this can actually get quite blustering here. Okay, when you're happy there, you can just update it. All right, you got the images section here. It's come up with all these already. I haven't actually asked it for this. Okay, we've just basically said that we want to do a plant business, right? And it's come up with like flowers and actually some really good images that I probably would use for our plant business, which I think is really, really cool. Content section, okay, the header, the footer, all right? They have you completely covered here, completely covered. Really nice automation, so clean, easy to use. Now, something which I've actually tried out before and I absolutely love this, okay? It's essentially like a setup, browse, abandonment cart flow type thing, okay? So bring back visitors who browse and left, okay? Because that's what you want. People might come visit, they might forget, but actually there might have been an intention to actually potentially buy something from your store, but they were just so distracted with, how distracting life just is nowadays, okay? And this simple little thing that they've got here could really, really help. So I want to show you this right now. Set up, browse, abandonment. So let's have a look. You can actually set this up. It's a fantastic little tool, and I've actually never seen this before, okay? So you can fully set this up, all right? Set it up with email, the SMS, they get a push notification, okay? The flow actions, you've got tag contact split, A/B testing as well, which is really cool, and the delay as well, okay? So here's kind of like the flow and like the triggers of what happens. Customers enter the workflow when they view a specific page. Customers exit the workflow when they place an order, okay? So trigger filters here, workflow channel settings, okay? As you can see here, the trigger is wait 2 hours, okay? And then take a second look. So basically right now, the way it's automatically set up, mind you, I haven't had to do anything here. This is just all set up, and that's perfect because you probably don't want to hassle them too much. So they've come to view your stuff, your store, okay? Haven't heard from them in 2 hours. Hey, what's up? You still there? They're going to automatically get triggered into taking a second look. Thanks for visiting our website. And the bottom line is, even if like you do that to 100% of people that leave, maybe even if 10% of those people do come back and convert and you get a sale, that is massive when you're talking about sort of like thousands, tens of thousands of potential customers buying from your store. So this is an absolute gold mine of a feature that I quite simply have not seen anywhere else. And actually, a really important point that I've actually tested and I firmly wanted to touch on is that we are on desktop at the moment, but this is all 100% optimized for mobile. And, maybe this is not a problem you might have come across before, but for example, when I used to set up some websites in my earlier days, I'd use WordPress, and WordPress is really clunky and hard to basically optimize for mobile. You got to go through a lot of steps that, just don't do it. Trust me. So the fact that they've actually considered that, because a lot of people are just doing business from their phone. They don't barely even use like a laptop or something like that. So yeah, just letting you know it is fully optimized for mobile. And what you've got to realize, it is organized, okay? One dashboard for all 3 channels, okay? It covers it all. It covers email, it covers SMS, okay? The web push, all that stuff. You can mix it all into a single campaign and a singular workflow. You don't have to use separate tools, no separate integrations required, just simply making the workflow more complicated unnecessarily. None of that. And yes, if you were wondering, the SMS actually does work globally. So I was actually able to increase my reach and conversions easily using this simple workflow. And a really great feature is that I was able to actually segment my audience just based on what they were interested in. Okay, certain people were interested in like smaller mini indoor cacti, for example. They would all get kind of like categorized into one area. So I was able to like market to them in the future easily and accumulate that data, essentially organizing your data more effectively. Categories like, what they clicked, what they bought, what they didn't buy, all gets categorized. No need for manual tagging or coding from a developer. It all gets done automatically with Omnisend. Alrighty, folks, so if you're tired of having your business all mixed up when it comes to marketing, SMS, email, because we all have to use it, small, medium, large business, we all got to do it. And I can just about guarantee that whatever system you have in place right now, it's probably not as efficient in this. And we know that the more efficient you are, the more money you're going to make. The better you can organize your data, the better it's going to be. The easier you can have automated email, SMS, pop-up templates, the easier your workflow is going to be, the more you can reduce costs. All right, the more money you're going to make. So if you want to get signed up, folks, just what are you going to lose? Just start with your free plan here at least, okay? No credit card. You can cancel at any time, all right? Get your stuff sorted out, okay? Then beyond that, most people tend to go for the pro package. That's $41.30 per month at the moment. But if you pay 3 months up front, you're going to save 30% on that. Okay, so that's pretty juicy, okay? That's a massive saving, almost 50%, guys. Let us know in the comments what you think about this. If you did enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, turn notifications on, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now.